How to build an AI affiliate marketing system that runs itself. Welcome to Digital Cash Empire. Earn while you sleep with AI, plus affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing pays you to promote other people's products. But when you combine it with AI, you get a system that can work 24/7, even while you sleep. Let me show you how to build your first AI-powered affiliate system. Step 1. Choose a high-paying niche. Choose from one of these categories: AI tools, finance, software, health. First, pick a niche with high commission rates. AI tools, software subscriptions, and finance programs often pay $20 to $200 per sale. Check platforms like PartnerStack, Impact, or individual SaaS websites. Step 2. Find a solid product to promote affiliate dashboard previews, e.g. Jasper AI, System.io. Look for a product you understand or use. ChatGPT-based tools, Canva Pro, System.io, all great examples. Sign up and grab your affiliate link. Step 3. Build a landing page with AI, System.io, or Notion AI, auto-generating landing content. Now create a simple funnel. Use System.io to build a free landing page. Use ChatGPT to write your headline and bullet points. This page should explain the product and include your link. Step 4. Generate content automatically. Pictory generating video, Canva creating carousel. Time to get traffic. Use ChatGPT to write short video scripts. Then use Pictory to turn those into YouTube Shorts. Or use Canva to auto-generate Instagram content. Post daily. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. Step 5. Auto-respond and follow-up mini. Chatbot ConvertKit email sequence. Capture emails or offer a freebie. Use AI chatbots like ManyChat to answer questions. Or set up an email sequence in ConvertKit. All on autopilot. Rinse and scale. Multiple funnels, dashboards showing commissions. Once you've made your first few sales, scale it. Clone the system for other affiliate products. More pages, more content, more income. You're now running an AI affiliate engine. This is how you build an automated AI affiliate marketing machine. No cold DMs, no hard selling, just smart systems and smart tools. For more AI wealth systems, like and subscribe to Digital Cash Empire.